Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use FV or future value function in Excel. Future value is also known as compound amount, including the compound interest. Under the future value, the interest earned is considered as to be reinvested. The interest earned for previous period is added to the principal for the purpose of computing interest for the next period. For example, a man has deposited $30,000 in a bank which pay interest at 8% per annum. How much the man will get after 4 years? So, we have to calculate that how much he will get after 4 years. This is called future value. So, we will write here formula that is equal to FV and press tab, and here you can see rate. Rate mean interest rate. I have already mentioned parameter above for your convenience. So rate is 8%. I will select this, then comma. NPR mean net periods. That for how many periods the interest will be calculated. That is 4. Then comma. And after that PMT mean payment. If any additional payment is made during these 4 years, it will be mentioned. Here it is nil. And then comma, and PV mean present value. Present value meaning how much you are interesting now, and that is 30,000. Click on this and type will remain blank and enter. So it has shown 40,814.67. So after 4 years the man will get $40,814. Viewers, here you can see I have provided additional information, and that are to be used when interest rate is biannually, quarterly or monthly. If the interest rate is biannually, then using this formula you will divide the rate by 2 and will multiply the years by 2. And if the interest rate is quarterly, then rate will be divided by 4 and years will be multiplied by 4. And if the rate is monthly, then rate will be divided by 12 and years will be multiplied by 12. So this is how you can use every function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.